हे एवरीवन, नमस्ते और स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल पे। तो आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ आइकिया का वीडियो। यस, आइकिया इज़ देयर इन इंडिया एंड इट्स लॉन्च्ड इन हैदराबाद। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट एवर आइकिया इन इंडिया जो हैदराबाद में रिसेंटली ओपन हुआ है। बस कुछ ही दिन हुए हैं इसको ओपन हुए हैं और I really wanted to put this vlog up, so I told my husband to make this vlog for me and explain me everything ताकि मैं आपको भी दिखा सकूं कि क्या है ये and what are the facilities and the things that are available in IKEA. This is the entrance and this is how the entry point looks for IKEA. ये एक ब्लू कलर का बिल्डिंग है with the letters IKEA written in yellow and they have the IKEA flags. This is the typical IKEA which is seen abroad in other countries. The layout and everything is exactly the same and the building is huge. I mean the place is huge. और बाहर से ही देखने से आपको पता चलेगा कि अंदर कितना ज़्यादा स्पेस होगा फॉर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स एंड कंज्यूमरेबल गुड्स कि ये इतना बड़ा है। सो इतने तादाद में लोग आए थे कि दे वर गिविंग आउट स्नैक्स एंड वाटर, दे वर गिविंग आउट बिस्किट्स एंड वाटर एंड मील्स भी अवेलेबल थे फॉर द पीपल। लाइक 10 to 15,000 पीपल आए थे एंड दिस वॉज ऑन अ सैटरडे, यानी कि टुडे। The entryway और there were a lot of people there, बहुत ज़्यादा crowded था। It was like people had gone crazy and everybody wanted to see what IKEA was and how the collection was. एंटर करने के बाद ही द शोरूम स्टार्ट्स वेयर यू कैन सी, जहाँ पे होम डेकोर का बहुत ज़्यादा सामान है। यहाँ पे आप फर्निशिंग्स देख सकते हैं, सोफाज है, पैटियोज है, then you have different kinds of sofas and drawers and living room space. An entire living room was on display जिसकी सारी चीज़ें you could buy all together for reasonable prices. The prices were very reasonable. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि they were out of range or something like that. No, they were really reasonable and affordable. and they had these sofas which were incredibly amazing, and they had tons of colors in it and different patterns. और एक ऐसा भी provision था जहाँ पे you could design your own sofa, like एक tab system था जहाँ पे you could design your own sofa and make it according to your choice. And not just sofa, there were tables, coffee tables, dining tables, patios, as I said before. बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी to decorate your house. Whatever you wanted, it was available there. There were soft toys available for kids, and it was just a heaven for people who really want to decorate their house and who want to color coordinate their house, और उनको कुछ particular चाहिए और कहीं मिल नहीं रहा है. You will get everything here, like everything. So as you can see here in this video, there is a huge collection of chairs and sofas and all sorts of bedding. जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, there are dining tables available which are of super quality along with the cutlery and everything else that you need to set it up, so you don't have to search for everything separately. अगर आप set में चाहते हो, you can buy it all together. And here you can see a beautiful crockery unit जो भरा हुआ है बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful सामान से, which you can of course buy individually, या फिर आप चाहो you can buy it all together. There were also tons of drawers available, tons of Muji drawers available to store your stuff. Again, prices were within the affordable range. There were also nice vanity setups available, और jewelry रखने के लिए या फिर cosmetics रखने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे drawers and containers and cases भी available थे. यहाँ पे all sorts of wardrobe organization stuff and even wardrobes were available, along with different door handles and different other things that you can use to jazz up your closet. There were also models of built-in closets और walk-in closets जो आप अपने घर पे सेटअप कर रहे हैं अगर आपका नया घर है और if you want to remodel your house. Coming to the lights, oh my god, there was a ton of variety of lights available there, starting from small bed lamps to big lamps. There was everything that you could ever ask for. Simple lamps से शुरू करके futuristic lamps तक, everything was available in different sorts of colors and shapes and sizes. I specifically loved this wall lamp just because ये बहुत ही futuristic looking था and it gave me Gaga vibes and this was so cool. There were bathroom organizers, bathroom towels and racks also available जो आप आसानी से खरीद सकते हो and you can arrange your bathroom. kitchenware and kitchen stuff was also available separately and all together. आप चाहो तो आप एक entire किचन को डेकोरेट करने के लिए एक पूरा किचन का डेकोर खरीद सकते हो, या फिर आप चाहो कोई सिंगल पीसेस वहाँ से लेना तो वो भी अवेलेबल था. There were also fake flower pots and plants available जो आप अपने घर के होम डेकोर के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो to jazz up your home. यहाँ पे सब कुछ सेल्फ सर्विस है, तो आप जो आइटम्स यहाँ पे देखोगे इन दी शोरूम दे विल हैव ए पर्टिकुलर आइटम नंबर, तो आप वो आइटम नंबर याद रख के या फिर कहीं पे कलेक्ट करके रख सकते हो. एंड देन यू कैन गो डाउन टू द चेकआउट सेक्शन जहाँ पे इनका वेयर हाउस है यानी कि गोडाउन है, तो आप वो आइटम नंबर लेके यू कैन सर्च इन देयर गोडाउन विच इज़ अगेन एक्सट्रीमली ह्यूज क्योंकि इनका कलेक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा है. So you can search there what the item that is, you can pick it yourself and you can then go to the checkout and pay for the item. अगर आप चाहो there is a lot of staff available there as well, बहुत ही अच्छा staffing है. They will help you out in searching for the item in case if you are not able to find it yourself. तो बिल्कुल भी टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है तो. The staff there is very friendly and very helpful and they will definitely help you out with anything you want.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
And that's it for the video guys. I hope कि आपको ये IKEA का vlog अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा हो then don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and until the next time, live long and prosper my fellow earthlings.